I'm going to show you some lightweight travel compression packing tubes from DIMJ. And if you're like me and you want to stay organized with your traveling, this is one of the best ways to do it. So the set is an 8-pack and it comes with 4 compression packing tubes. So this is one of them. And I have it packed full right now. Can you believe in this small bag, I have 4 pairs of leggings and 2 pairs of really thick cotton fleece shorts. All right, so you unzip the top and here we go. Everything decompresses and you can see 2 pairs of shorts and 1, 2, 3, 4 pairs of leggings. So here are 3 more of the compression packing tubes. So this one is the same size as the one that I had the leggings and shorts in. And so there's 2 of those. And then there's this size, which is a size bigger. And then the biggest size. So you can make a lot of room in your suitcase and keep everything nice and neat and organized. And there are 4 additional accessories in this pack. There's an accessories bag, a sock cube, a couple pairs of shoes in there if you want to, or just whatever you want to store in there to keep it nice and clean and organized, a laundry bag. And here you go. And all the bags just fit in one hand. These 8 pieces make traveling so much easier and more efficient. Keep your travel organized with the DIMJ compression packing cubes. They're lightweight and sturdy. They use a 2-zip system to flatten your clothes instantly, so you can save up to 50% of space and keep things wrinkle-free. You can travel happy.